Hello everybody, and today we're going to be playing Animal Company, and we're going to play Val later on. So yeah, let's go ahead and play some Animal Company. The Goop Saving, one of the worst updates in the game. Yeah, that's right, I said it, bite me. One of the worst updates in the game. Okay. I hope my game doesn't lag out immediately. What the heck? It didn't even let me do anything. What the heck?
Sounds like an artificial airplane kind of.
I hear people. Whoa! I just joined a random server on accident. I
put in a bunch of random numbers.
No, I joined this server on accident. I didn't mean to join this server. I just
Yo guys, I think I have this weird flying glitch. I just get in my ball.
Wait, can I have one? Wait, can I have one of those? Can I have one of those?
Bro.
Look, it's just a box. And
Yeah, you're flying though.
How?
It's a flying ball.
What is that? What is
How
that?
did you do that?
What is that?
I don't know. It
No,
just
Bro, what is on your back? What is on your back?
it's just a backpack with this.
Wait,
And
hold
once
on,
you
can
take
I
it off
have
and put it back on it.
Wait, can I have one? Yo, kid, can I have one? Wait.
I think I can save the flying ball.
Wait, can I have
You want one?
Yeah, I want one. Wait, I want one. I want this. Can I have this?
Yeah.
I just accidentally put a camel here.
Oh God.
Can somebody? Can I
How much
have
is
that,
it?
please?
Here you go.
Oh my gosh, how do I write it? Hey, that's mine. Hey,
No wait, blue. Yo, green.
get out of
Green.
here. I will.
Green.
You can have this.
Green.
Yo, I accidentally just clicked this button and it made me join now.
I accidentally
Green.
just clicked the
Green.
button
Yeah,
from this
yeah.
code. And it
Yeah.
got me in here.
Yo, green. Turn
Yeah.
around. I'll
Oh,
give
hold
you
on.
one of these.
Hold on.
Yo,
Yo,
how
if you
does
want
it
one of
work?
the
How does it
flying
work? How does it
Oh,
work?
you gotta go in your stash and come out.
Wait, hold on.
Oh.
hold on.
Then you could fly. Yo,
Okay, wait. Let me have one.
hold on.
How do I use this? How do I use this? How do I use it?
You go in your when you have it on your back, you go in your stash and you come back out and you can
Oh,
fly.
okay. How do I go into the stash again?
You come over
Sorry.
here.
Sorry, I'm kind of new to the game. I haven't played this game in a long time.
Oh yeah, so
I
okay,
still
so
have,
you come
I
in
still
here, you
have 2.20 more.
put
I
in
still
a
have-
random code.
Okay, I still have like 2.20 million, so I'm fine.
Damn. But yeah, you put in your code. And then when you come out, it just makes you fly.
Okay.
I bet no one will come over to.
Whoa!
I bet no one will come near me.
How do I control it? How do I control it? Is there any way I can control it?
Wait, this no.
There's certain ways you can.
I am
So-
Daisy09. You better fear me.
What the hell is this thing?
You can kill us, actually. You can.
Wait, is PvP
But we're too
in?
flyy. We fly too. Yes.
No, I don't
PvP is
think
on.
it's a PvP. Oh, it is?
No, I was able to like, kill somebody, I think. Hey, you! What are you doing? Get over here!
I'm Superman! Hey,
Get over here.
I won! Yo!
Yo, move.
Yo, I want one of the flying boxes? How do I?
No, you can't get one anymore.
You ain't giving out flying boxes anymore.
Oh, but tried it.
Da,
It's
da,
stuck.
da, 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 da,
I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going in the mines. 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 Screw y'all. I'm going in the mines. Hey! Are you... What the... Wait. Where's everybody going?
How did you make it? How did you make it?
Me?
Bro.
What are you guys
Yeah.
doing? I am the
I
almighty
just-
Zeus with my Triton! Fear me!
Die! I have an overpowered baseball bat.
I'm getting killed.
I have an overpowered baseball bat.
Bro, I know the weak.
How does
I know.
How does it work?
So
You go into
basically,
stash and then you go into stash and then you come out.
What are you doing?
Then you start to
Like,
fly.
yeah. Battle of the ages, guys. Battle of the century. Who's winning?
I don't know.
Where'd you go? I see you.
Get back here.
You can't run away.
I'm behind you.
Huh? I see you. Oh, I got you. I am hitting you. Oh yeah.
This is amazing. I would love to make this. Hey, I want to activate it.
You know,
Get over here. Oh, I hit you. Are we still in the safe zone? Yeah, we're in the safe zone. I gotta get out of here.
You can fly.
Hold on. I have this mechanical.
Like, how do I move?
Funny how this server is actually pretty popular. Yeah!
No! Where's my body?
Yo.
Where's my body? No! No! Oh,
I'm
shit!
trying to revive you.
Oh,
I'm trying to revive you.
Wait, no, my trident! Wait, no, I need my trident, no! Wait, no!
Wait, when you respawn, you can get.
Do you know any mod blocks? Like,
No! My stuff! Look!
Hold on.
My stuff! My trident!
Yo, I got your trident. I got
Give
your
it back.
trident. I
Give
got
it
your
back.
trident. Okay, get your item now.
Why is he big, dog?
No, because I can be.
Oh, he's gonna kill me! That overweighted little boy's gonna kill me!
Green. Yo, green.
Yeah.
I'm not a little boy.
Flying box is actually a mech suit.
What?
Yeah, it's actually a mech suit because I have the arms.
Wait, wait. What are the arms? Wait, I want the
Why don't
arms!
we
Can
run
I have the arm?
Hey, green. Hey, green.
Yo, can I have the arm?
Yo, look, ready?
Yo, I'm being so for real. Can I have the arm? I'm being so for real. Can I have the arm? Ow, you hit me.
I'm sorry, I can't do
Yo,
it.
guys, I'm really.
No! Yo,
think I have
big
this
fat little boy, get over here.
Guys, no one's about.
Get over here, you big fat little boy. Queso, get over here. Yo, Numbnut, where are you going? Hey, yo, Cherry, bro. Yo, Jelly Bean, bro, what are you doing? What are you doing,
Yo,
Jelly
look,
Bean?
I have this arm as well.
Jelly Bean, get
Guys,
over
I
here.
think I'm little.
Wait, can I have the arm, please?
No, I can't give an arm.
Why?
I'm not
Because
fast
they
anymore. Dang it.
are really good.
Where's the? Oh, okay, please, let me have the arm, please. Please, I need the arm. Please, Speed, I need the. There's no way this is supposed to be a mech. I dropped my Titan. I dropped my Triton. My bad, chat. My baby. Oh, does it have to be on my back? What is this, dog?
Hey, dude. Hey, what you doing with my item?
Hey, Blue.
Where did
Hi,
the
Blue.
other stuff on it
Hi,
go?
Blue. Hey.
I'm Super Mech.
Blue, what did I do to you?
Dude, this thing is like super big.
Guys, I think I'm a robot. Guys, I'm a robot now.
Get over here, boy. Get over here, Jelly Bean. What's up, Big Chungus? Where you
That's
going?
your entire existence.
Come on, you numbnut. Where'd you go? No, screw y'all. Hey! Hey! Hold on, I need to be in the air for this.
Yo, guys, see this?
Shoot!
This is what I call the Elfman flying.
Wait, guys, wait, guys.
Here, let me just grab my weapon.
Hiya!
You guys try to get me. Try to hit. Try,
Who wants
try to kill
this?
me.
Who wants this? Okay, cool. Somebody
Dang,
can
bro,
have it.
why is that so fast? I'm stuck.
Why are you so
I'm
fat?
stuck in this. Why is most of this fast?
I think is what he said.
Yo, guys, if you kill me, you get this multiple.
How did you make
room.
stuff fly like this?
Hey,
I,
I am Super Mech.
yo, if you guys kill me, you guys get my multiple.
I am
room, but
Super
listen,
Mech.
No guns. No more.
Nobody can kill me.
Aw, yeah.
Yeah. Ah! Ah! I'm getting hit. Retreat. Retreat. Hiya! Ow! I just got my booty slapped. Ow! I keep getting my booty slapped. Oh no! No! Never! You're never taking me out alive! Oh, and I'm dead. Wait, they don't even know who I am. Okay. It's the only way. What? No. What? No! No! Get this thing off of me.
Guys, I made Mega Blocklet. I made Mega Blocklet.
Okay, but do you have a Pokemon
God.
card?
Eat
Oh,
them
no, I
all.
don't, actually.
Eat it. It doesn't work.
Yo,
No
yeah,
one have
dude
a
in the
Pokemon
ball.
card? Yo, Green, can you hear me?
Yo,
Yeah.
dude, if you kill me, you get this wicked room.
No way.
But
no
guns.
far range weapons.
No guns
though.
are allowed. No guns are allowed.
Whoa!
Green means you too. No
what do I-
guns. to
wait,
get
what do
this.
I
You
want
gotta
again?
kill
What do
me,
I
but
want?
you can't use guns.
What did I want? I don't even want anything. Yeah, you're welcome.
Like, see this?
Yeah, what does that
It's
do?
4 wicked rooms. It is super fast.
Okay, fine.
No guns.
Okay,
you have
no
to kill
guns.
me though to get this. No guns. No guns. No guns.
I said I wasn't gonna. Dude, do you not see me? Do you not see me pointing at myself? Okay,
Oh.
dude, what is wrong with you? Something's wrong
I'm
with you.
too
Revive
OP.
me. Revive me. Revive me right now.
I can't.
Kid. Revive me. Take the thing off of your back and revive me, kid.
Hold on.
Kid, revive me. I swear, if you don't revive me, kid. Kid, revive me, bro. I swear, I will
think
kill
he's getting
you.
mad at me.
Hey, get back over here! How do you guys move so fast? Get over here! Revive me!
Get back here.
Bye.
So I got back
Revive me.
to blue for the brew?
Revive me, you little kid!
It's not one room, it's multiple.
No grenades, dude.
You said done.
It's
You
one
said
room
done.
fused together.
Yeah,
It's
and
really
He
weird.
said no grenades or guns.
Whoa, he never said. No
He
grenades.
said no guns
Did
or
I?
explosives.
Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have good ears. Not really, not good.
Dude.
Oh, get out of the safe zone, that's what I'm saying.
Reloading! Ah,
I can't fly forward.
Oh,
yeah, don't even test me, sir!
Can anyone buy a normal?
What just happened? What just happened? What just happened?
You
I
got
look-
shot.
Somebody sell
I look away for
Somebody
1
sell
second
me.
and I'm dead. I'm like, what? What
Yeah, you
just
got
happened?
shot.
I was like, huh?
Hold up.
Dude,
Tell me I got a modded bag.
dude, the funniest
Okay.
thing is,
What are you doing? I need nothing.
hey, give me back my
No,
trident.
okay.
Give me back my trident. Give me back my trident. I'm being so for real.
No.
Give it back.
And I can dupe them. I have infinite.
Dude,
Come
give
over
it
here.
back.
Come over here. Come over here.
Dude, give it back.
You know he,
I'm being
you know
so
he
for real.
really
right now.
does.
The other green's
You know
trying to
he
take
doesn't
it.
have to,
Dude,
right? Because you're
I
a
don't
green, right?
have it unlocked. This is from my
Just
friend.
take it. Just take it. I really don't care.
Oh yeah. Hold up. Let me get another. I want to get one.
Across the map.
Wait, I had a good idea, guys. I have a good idea.
Who did I kill?
Alright, check this.
Nobody
gonna-
grab this. Nobody grab
You
this.
will beat your maker.
Somebody sell me. Somebody sell me. I got more. Okay, I'll sell you again.
Green.
I'll tell you when. I'll tell you when. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, let me just.
Ha ha.
Put in the backpack.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hey, where did my triangle?
Wait, green.
Where did my triangle? Hey, go!
Get back here.
Who has my
Yo, come
triangle?
over here,
I
Green.
told nobody not to grab it. Where's my triangle,
I
at, bro?
know.
I don't even have it unlocked.
Oh my goodness, what was that?
Thanks
I
for
don't even have it
300
unlocked.
Modded
What
bags.
happened? Oh my god, dude! I
Hey
didn't even,
guys, who wants to see a Death
I
Star
didn't
go
even
off?
have the triangle unlocked. Are you being so for real? You little pieces of retarded.
Boom! There goes
Goodbye,
your
bro.
tower.
Goodbye.
Watch it
Goodbye.
crumble. Feel the
You're welcome.
Oh my
power.
god, bro! I'm
gotta go.
actually
Oh,
leaving this code.
this
I
is
told
very
him not
cool.
to take it, bro.
Oh,
Okay.
that
Bro.
song. The song that was made.
I'll tell you.
Bro, I told them not to take it and they still took it, bro. Oh my god. That's why I hate ammo company. This is why I don't play as much, people. I have to make more money now. I have to unlock more shorts now, which is just great. You know, just perfect, just perfect. If I buy this, I don't even have a normal thing. I don't even have a normal backpack unlocked. How much is this? Is this a regular pickaxe? $2. Cost us $2. Oh, great. This is just great. I'm gonna be poor by the end of this video, guys. Nothing good. Always no crystals. Can they like level up? Can you like have a power up where it can like double the chances of getting one purple crystal? No. Well, the fact I'm only making 5 out of this, I'm already at 110, so I could probably like a few months, maybe like in a few months, I'll be ready. Back away. Save you. Back away. Thank you. Check this out. Wow, I don't even know. Oh, sorry. What happened? Energy blade works. This sucks. I already have one. Replace this with that. I'll take this actually. I need an RPG. You guys will know why in a bit. Is this it? No more monsters. You're kidding, right? Let's go. Or shoot him. Revolver? No. Revolver? I'll take this though. How do I use this? Bring. Still there. Oh, I hate that person. I don't even know who she is, but I literally hate her. No. Yes! Sure, yes! I think you have to hit every single one for it to count. Oops, my bad. Boop. It's okay. You know, it's just be a little boo-boo, right? Wasn't even looking at her, chat. Guys, do I have to look at her? Bro, I hate that lady, bro. I thought they got rid of her, bro. Oh my gosh, she's so annoying. She's literally so annoying. I hate that. I hate that. She's so freaking annoying. There's all my stuff. That's how I left it. Nope, this sucks. Okay, okay. I won't. I won't. Yikes, nothing good. Nothing good. Yeah, Marla. I could have sworn I had one more bullet in this. Oh yeah, I did. I did have one more bullet. Okay. Yes! I need this. Gotta see why in just a bit. I guess you guys are solid. So yeah. Guys, my strategy. Oh, that's a flashbanger. Holy crap. Ooh. Oh, no, come on. Why would this not? Shut up, Jin. Alright, guys, you'll see why I have this rocket launcher. They didn't give me a single purple crystal. Okay, that is dumb in the head. Grenade launcher. I'll take this. Hey, guys. Ah, crap. I threw two at the same time. Well, actually, I didn't throw two at the same time. There was another flashbanger right there. Hey, wait, okay. Hey, that's not okay. Hey there, buddy. Can I go past you real quick? Thank you. Whoa! Ow! I'm actually getting cooked. Woo! Hello! Where'd he go? Ah. I hate mimics. Nope. Dead. Okay, grappler. Okay. Flamethrower! A flamethrower, that sucks. Is this a small crate? Yeah! Sweet, what the? Whoa! Okay, I'm getting pounced on right now. Ah! I'll get you through there, I think. What's up there, boy? Kill him! I'll take this. You guys will know why. Yes, sir. Revolver. Oh, yes, sir. Another rocket launcher. Nothing that good. I need a place I can put all this good loot at. Nope. I'll keep ammo, actually, low-key. I think I low-key need the ammo. So, I'll just go back to, like... Aha! RPG ammo. I knew I had some. Oh! 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 It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Nope, that's a bomb. That's a bomb. That's a bomb. That's a bomb. Ammo. Yes. I don't care what I use it on. I mean, I kind of have to use it. Revolver. One's out. Grenade. Okay, not that bad. More revolver ammo. Okay, 2 revolvers full of ammo. Woo! I'll take that ammo. This? One of these grenades. Okay. Careful, careful! Boomerang! Oh, that sucks. Boomerang sucks. Okay. I still got an RPG, and I still got myself a revolver. Loaded? Loaded. Okay. See, guys, this is like a great spot. Oh. I'm not gonna waste it. I'm not gonna waste it. What are the chances? Get out the way, get out the way! Get out the way! Holy crap. Hello! Oh, that's just a flashbang, dude. Don't do any major damage. See, guys, I'm so smart. I ain't even know creatures. Yep. And this is why oh, does this require rocket ammo? I think it does, yeah. Shotgun. Grenade. Okay, so that was on accident. I did not mean to kill myself. There was a wooden plank in the way. I accidentally did not see it. I totally saw it. Now I gotta go back. It's okay. It's okay. It's not like an anglerfish is gonna spawn. Right, it's not like an anglerfish is gonna spawn, guys. Test me, I dare you! I am part of the Jedi side! Yeah, what did I tell you guys? I'm part of the Jedi. Ooh. More ammo. Rocket launcher. Two rocket launchers? Alright. Am I ready, guys? Ready? Now that was crazy! Also, that was actually kind of like so satisfying. Didn't even hit him. And my lightsaber's over here. I'm a lightsaber of the Jedi. Don't even come near me. What did I say? Yeah, this is why you guys don't want to test me. I got. Go! dead. That thing is ammo. What is this? Is this 2 rocket launchers in one? Yo, Jay, I got a new weapon. It's like 2 rocket launchers in one. It's like 2 rocket launchers and like in one. It looks like a machine gun, but it's actually 2 rocket launchers in one. No, I got it out of a crate. And it shoots. Bro, you always gotta do Maze, bro. Maze, in my opinion, is one of the best maps. Okay, so I found another rocket launcher. I found another rocket. Nope, I'm staying away from that. My bad, chat. I just got scared, you know. Yikes! Gee whiz. Ah, gee whiz. Oh, the purple crystals are back. Okay. I need purple crystals. Excuse me. Dang it. I'm gonna blow this whole thing up! Not even a single one, guys. You guys see why I rage quit so fast. I don't know if there's another thing here, so my battery's running out, so I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna take this with me. Haha! Don't even know what it is. Get out of my way, bro! Rocket launcher. Rocket. Another revolver. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, another one. I can start using this one. I'm keeping you for safety reasons. I'm not just gonna waste you. I might have to though. Alright, boys. This is the fight to my death. This is why I need this. Yeah, I just wasted all my rockets. That's okay. I can easily regain some. Well, it's just like that. I got a shotgun. See, how hard can it be to get... What is this? Oh. This boy. Thank you. I'll put you on here. Oh, crap. I wonder. So, can't use that. That's okay. And I just killed myself. And there's 2 bombs. Okay, that's cool. Imagine. Now I wonder, are those the bomb guys or are those just flashbangers? Because I didn't really get a good look at them. I think they're the actual bombs. Okay, one of them. So an angerfish just spawned right on top of me. Good thing I had a rocket launcher, so I immediately blew him up. There was a high risk of me dying. And luckily I did it though. You know? You know, Jay? You know? Because I don't listen to you! Where did I put my rocket launcher at? time to use it. Dead. Oh. No, no. Actually, did it fall in here? It did fall in here. Okay. That's okay. Oh, wait, hold up. Nah. Probably won't be a good thing. Okay, no. Oh shoot! Let's go. I didn't do it. Whoa! He was right there. I did not see him. Plasma guns suck. FYI, they suck. Oh, okay. I can just remove junk that I don't need. Okay. Okay, so apparently that was a bomb. The pumpkin thing is a bomb. What the heck? I've never seen that. Gotta quickly get my stuff before I lose my battery. Guys, my battery's pretty low. I'm gonna have to end this video here. But right after I get my stuff. Sorry to J-Ball Master for not playing Val with him. That's only because he was taking a big long poop. Oh, they can. Oh no, they still hear me. They can, yeah, I've tested it. No, I am not using that. I'm low-key keep this stuff. Fun. Holy crap, bro. Dude, I'm so heavy right now. Pause. I'm gonna eat an EMI real quick. There's a big black guy on me. This one's out. This one's out. You gotta be kidding me. There's like multiple ammo everywhere. Get out of my way, you fatties. Do that. Do this quick. Reload. Holy crap, bro. Yes, good thing. Yes, thank you so much. Holy crap. Yes, shotgun ammo. My light despawned. Okay, I think it's time for me to get out of here. Okay, looks like I'm leaving with a rocket launcher. Here, how about a rocket launcher? I'm so... Do I still have the rocket launcher? No, I don't have the rocket launcher. No. That's okay. I still have my shotgun and all that stuff. All the goodies. Okay, guys. Well, hold on. Let me get to the mirror. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm gonna do an inventory check tomorrow, whenever like my thing recharges. So see you guys later. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Bye. And apologies to J-Ball Master for me not playing Val with him while he was taking the massive poop. Bye.